2301, October 21st, 2025. Right now marks 1,585 hours of progress on the Global Horror Simulation. Currently, it has been figured out how to tie a specific program response to user input. So in this case, specific paragraphs have been binded to certain key presses, such as the keys 1 through 4, which display paragraphs which indicate different types of hive minds. And the good thing about this system is that the program output is split into 3 separate strings. The first of that being the user input, which is seen there, and then the body of the system's reply to that, and then after that there's a space that is added. And in addition to that, some more work was done in order to make the input more visible. So originally the input was just whatever was typed here, and then that was sort of just had the first character and last character separated, so it would only be the digits or alphabets or whatever. But looking at some classic text programs, the way they did that was by keeping the front arrow so that it's easier to distinguish what is user input from what is not. And so in addition to that, there's a counter for the number of times the enter key is pressed, which basically indicates the number of turns. And there's also, besides the enter key, some functionality was added for shift and caps lock. So that system is working, telling if caps lock or shift is working, and also functionality for if both are enabled at the same time. So shift and caps lock produces a lowercase, and in the case of just a default, so there's a default system response here for as a placeholder, as the only other input is for the 1 through 4 keys. So the intention going forward is to, now that it is possible to sort of search a string and find a substring within a string and indicate if a certain string exists within the user input, is to sort of figure out how to parse user input and create a program that is interactable via a hive mind system that can take certain actions depending on certain user input, and learn more as the user interacts with it.